Hello again, viewers. Guess what I'm having for my tea tonight? And guess what I'm having? What do I've got? Asda's chicken nuggets. It's a normal nuggets. I've got some 20 battered chicken nuggets. So I bought that one for £2. Right, so overcook is 18 minutes. It's on, that goes to the oven. Yeah. So first time I had a chicken nuggets from Asda. Used to buy just essentials one. Asda's just essentials. I bought a just essentials one for £1.10. £1.10 for Asda just essentials. Asda's just essentials, chicken nuggets. To buy them for £1.10. It's a breaded chicken nuggets for £1.10. It's cheaper than McDonald's. It's cheaper than Burger King. So I bought that one for £2. I bought that one for £2 from Asda. It's cheaper than McDonald's and Burger King as well. Instead of go to Burger King and McDonald's. Instead of Burger King and McDonald's, you can buy that one. You can buy that one. It's cheaper to buy for £2. £2 cheaper. Right, I'm going to cut the bag off. I'm going to start with my fryer. Open the window because it's raining outside. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to go shopping. Tomorrow again, back to Asda. Yes, I might. So I'll need to go back to Asda. I'll buy some 72 pieces of chicken nuggets. So after the small bags of nuggets, I'm going to pause that for a while. That's me again. I've opened up the bag. It's full of chicken nuggets. What's that smell? Smell battered. Yeah, I'm going to put some chicken nuggets into the fryer. So these are good chicken nuggets. Good nuggets. I had to go spend some time. I had to go to McDonald's. Used to collect some 20 chicken McNugget share box, and I used to have a large chicken McNugget meal from McDonald's. I had 9 chicken McNuggets. After that, can't afford it. That's right, because I can't afford to have 20 chicken McNugget share box from McDonald's anymore. So can't afford to have 9 chicken McNuggets. Can't afford to have 20 chicken McNugget share box from McDonald's either. So instead of a 9 chicken McNugget meal, 20 chicken McNugget share box instead of these. You can buy these ones from Asda. Buy these ones from Asda instead of 20 chicken McNugget share box from McDonald's, instead of a 9 chicken McNugget meal from McDonald's. Right, so guys, please thumbs up, like and subscribe, and so see in the next video about taste test of Asda chicken nuggets. Yes, see in the next video for taste test.